flowers to the workers at Knapford Station. Later on, Emily is worried that her delivery will be late because she has run out of coal. Thomas helps Emily by making the delivery for her. How does Emily feel? Yes! Emily is happy after Thomas helps her with the delivery. Good night, Emily. It's another busy day on the island of Sodor. Let's see how one of the engines is doing today. Choose the engine that is feeling worried. That's right. It's Thomas. Thomas is worried when the giant balloon that he's taking to the fair for Mr. Bubbles floats away.